Right now, we're seeing a noteworthy spike in mobile sentiment with a score of plus 0.20, paired with a strong momentum of plus 0.35. This isn't just noise. It indicates a significant shift in sentiment compared to the historical baseline, suggesting increased interest or engagement in mobile topics. Our Sentiment API returns a comprehensive analysis, providing you with real-time sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters that reveal the underlying themes driving this change. Imagine you're building a mobile app that recommends content based on user sentiment. By integrating our API, you can dynamically adjust your recommendations based on the latest shifts in sentiment, ensuring your users always get relevant and timely content. For more details, check out pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage sentiment data to enhance your applications.